So what you can also do is you can get a book to be summarized by using ChatGPT. So you don't need to have a book for it. So you can upload a PDF and summarize it, or you can simply search it out on the web and get it summarized for you. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around onto Explore GPTs right here, I can go around and type in, let's say, for example, book summarizer right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and search right here, you can see that book summarizer is an option around over here. So I can go around and let's say, for example, choose this and click on start chat right here. So now what I'm going to go around and say, summarize the book, let's say, for example, Rich Dad and Poor Dad right here, just like this. So I don't need to know the author itself, but you can see that it actually searches out for this particular book right here. So let's dive into Rich Dad and Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Would you like summary in English or another language? So I'm going to go around and say, give the summary in English, please, right here, just like this. And as I do that, you can see that it actually goes around and unravels the book right here. So you can see that it starts to summarize out the book right here, and then gives out the essence and everything, and then summarizes out the content of the book, as you can see right here. And this is simply how you can utilize the book summarizer to get the gist idea from the book. From a specific book that is available publicly, or you can also upload a PDF and then ask it to summarize that particular book as you want. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.